Hello guys and welcome to another video. So for today's episode, we're gonna go and do some basic leather cleaning and conditioning. Let's go. Hello guys, so we are back with another video. So for today's video, it's all about leather. So we have a leather watch here, which is a leather strap, a leather wallet, old one, and a leather belt. So for leather, we have to remember two things. One is the leather cleaning, and two is the leather conditioning. So first, gonna go and clean the leather using our saddle soap. Now after it has dried up, it will actually become dry that we need to recondition the leather as to not to destroy the quality of the material. So here's what we will need for today's episode. We're gonna need a saddle soap. Here's a brush. So we're gonna need a dry brush to buff the leather later on after conditioning. And a brush that we could wet to use for our saddle soap. We're gonna need a leather cream conditioner as well. We're gonna use a sponge to apply it on our Hello guys, and we are back, and we are done with the first part, the cleaning. So the saddle soap guys will remove all the dirt and the grime that is sticking on your leather. It will remove also the oil from your body, and we'll just leave this to dry for a minimum of 24 hours just to make sure that everything is dried up. I prefer to have this air dried and not under the heat of the sun. The heat of the sun is okay, but only for a few hours. It will damage the adhesives that are on the leather. Okay. Okay guys, so we are back. Our leather has completely dried up, and we are on our second part of this cleaning, which is the leather conditioning. So we're gonna use a leather cream conditioner and a sponge to apply this one. So basically when you clean the leather, it dries up, and if not taken care of, this will eventually brittle and stiffen. So very important guys, after cleaning it, you must recondition the leather. So what you do is just get a little small amount of conditioner and just apply it on the leather using a sponge. So after applying the conditioner guys, you can see the leather will actually turn very dark, but after the lead conditioner has dried up, it will go back to its natural color. So you let the conditioner sink in the leather for a couple of hours, and after that you buff it using a dry brush. So let's go ahead and apply this to the rest of our materials. Hello guys, and we are done. So two very simple steps in basic leather care. So first is the cleaning using the saddle soap, and the second one is the application of leather conditioner to the leather material. So we'll post more pictures of this cleaning at the end of the video. Okay guys, so if you do happen to like this video, I'd appreciate it if the support, if you could subscribe to this channel, and probably if we get to 100 views, maybe we could give away a leather care kit. This will already contain the leather conditioner, the saddle soap, the sponge, and the brush, including the towel. Probably 100 views guys. Link to the giveaway I will post down below. Okay, so that wraps up this video, and I will see you guys on our next episode. Bye.
I never made it, but I